everyone, I'm Margaret and welcome to Deliciously Sweet and Savory. Today I'm going to show you how to make lemon pancakes with a berry compote. This is a simple recipe that is a little lemony, a little sweet, and is great for making a special meal for your family. So let's get started. To make the pancakes, you need flour, milk, melted butter, lemons, baking soda, baking powder, sugar, egg, and unmelted butter or margarine. For the compote, you need 3½ cups of berries. I'm using blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries, but you can use any combination of fruit that you want. You also need brown sugar and water. First, we need to prepare a few of the ingredients. Zest 2 lemons and juice 1 or both of the lemons, enough to get a ½ cup of fresh lemon juice. Now thoroughly whisk the egg. Next, whisk the flour to loosen it up. And add the baking powder, baking soda, sugar, and lemon zest. Then whisk again to thoroughly combine the ingredients. Now add the egg, melted butter, milk, and lemon juice to the flour mixture, and stir and fold the ingredients until you don't see streaks of flour. You don't want to overmix the batter, or the pancakes will be gummy and flat. Then let the pancake mixture sit for 15 minutes. While waiting, you can start making the berry compote. First, coarsely chop the strawberries. Don't worry if the pieces aren't even, as the fruit's going to be smashed later on. In a medium-sized pot, add the blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, strawberries, brown sugar, and water. Then place on the stove, give the pot a good stir, and bring to a simmer over high heat with the pot covered. Once simmering, stir the pot, reduce the heat to medium-high, and let cook for 15 to 20 minutes with the pot uncovered. Make sure you stir the pot occasionally. While waiting, we could start cooking the pancakes. Heat your pan on medium-high heat. Then coat the spots where you're going to put the pancakes with butter. And ladle the pancake batter on the pan. Then let the pancakes cook for about 2 minutes on the first side or until you see bubbles forming. Then flip the pancakes and let cook on the other side for about 20 seconds. By this point, the pancakes should be done. Remove them from the pan and place on a plate. And repeat the process for the rest of the pancake batter. After 15 to 20 minutes, the berry compote should have thickened, and the berries should have softened and broken down a bit. Take 2 spoons and smash the berries to break them apart into smaller pieces. Then use the back of the spoon to smush the berries against the bottom of the pan. The compote should end up with a slightly runny consistency, so if it's too thick, just add a tablespoon or 2 of water. Otherwise, the compote is done. Serve the lemon pancakes with some of the compote, and top with some fresh fruit. These pancakes have a great lemon flavor and are light and fluffy. The sweetness of the berry compote pairs perfectly with the lemon pancakes, and the addition of the fruit adds a freshness to the pancakes. You can even top them with a little powdered sugar if you want. This is a really great breakfast or brunch idea for special occasions like Mother's Day, or if you just want to make a special breakfast for yourself or your family. Because the recipe is not difficult to make, but tastes absolutely amazing. You can also serve scrambled eggs, bacon, sausage, or whatever you want with the pancakes to make it a well-rounded, special meal. So definitely give this recipe a try. For more recipes like this one, visit my website, which also has written recipes and ingredient amounts. You could also follow my channel. I'd like to take a moment to thank my patrons for their support. If you'd like to become a patron to support my channel, visit my Patreon page. Also, if there are any recipes, Cuban or otherwise, that you'd like to see, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you soon with another recipe.